Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Telegram and showing you how to block someone on the app. We know that sometimes you might need a little space from certain contacts, and Telegram provides a straightforward way to do that. So, if you're ready to take control of your messaging experience, let's get started. First, open Telegram on your Android device. This is your gateway to managing your contacts efficiently. Once you're on the main screen, find the contact you want to block. Tap and hold on their name to select them. It's a simple action, but an important first step. Next, you'll notice some options appear at the top right corner of your screen. Tap the three dots icon there. This is your menu, and it holds the key to many features within Telegram, including the option to block someone. After tapping the three dots, look for the option that says Block User. This is where you confirm your intention to remove this person from your contact list and prevent them from messaging you. Finally, a confirmation dialog will pop up asking if you really want to do this. Go ahead and confirm your choice. Just like that, you have successfully blocked the person on Telegram. Blocking someone on Telegram is quick and easy, ensuring that your messaging experience is more comfortable and tailored to your needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.